In this video of modeling and simulation of power-aware parallel bus system, we will add controller package, memory block, and VRM blocks and assign electrical models to each of them. So let's get started. In the first step, we'll open the topology using Topology Explorer 22.1. So let's open that. Select Advanced SI2 license and click on OK button. Then you can click on OK button, load it for power-aware parallel bus system, and click on open. Once the topology is open, we are going to add a controller package block between controller and PCB. And after adding that controller package block, we can able to see the effect of controller package parasitics on the performance of DDR4. To do that, we are going to add another sub-circuit block between controller and package. So let's make little bit space here. Just select the sub-circuit block from the add block menu and place it between that. Let's name this from circuit to controller package, which will be CTRL underscore PKG, which will represent controller package, and just click anywhere in the canvas. Here we go. So we have renamed this sub-circuit block. Now we are going to assign the electrical model to that. Then double click here, go to edit properties. As of now, some default S parameters are assigned to that. We'll just click over edit button, just locate the file which will be inside the same zip folder. Then select DDR4 package spice circuit model and click on open. As you can see, the pins on this sub-circuit controller package block have been updated. Alright, let's click over zoom fit. Now in the next step, we are going to add a memory package, which will be between PCB and memory. So let's do that. I'm just going to place this memory here because under that we are going to place another memory, which will be our second memory. So let's place another sub-circuit block here and I'm going to name it memory package, which will be mem underscore PKG. Alright, select it, go to the edit properties, click over edit button, and we are going to locate DDR4 package spice model and click over open button. Here we go. Now we have assigned the memory package as well. Next we are going to add VRM, then we'll place another memory block. To place a VRM, you have to just scroll down and here you will find this VRM block. You have to just select it, or you can search here as well. So let's select the VRM block, place it under the PCB, which will be connected to U32, which is a VRM controller in our PCB design. Next we are going to configure some parameters for this VRM. To do that, you have to just select it, go to edit properties section, and as of now you can see it has some typical minimum and maximum values assigned. We are going to change these values. So in our case, typical value will be 1.2 volt, minimum voltage will be 0.64 volt, and maximum will be 1.56 volt. So let's change that as well. So if you wanted to place some voltage range near the blocks, you can just make them visible by clicking over this I button. So I'm just going to place this typical value on our VRM block. To do that, you have to just click here and just show its name and value. So as you can see, its typical value is visible near VRM block. Now we are going to place another memory package and memory block. To do that, we'll just copy this, hit Ctrl C, Ctrl V and place it somewhere here. Then right click and click over done. These blocks have already picked their naming from the previous blocks. Alright. Let's verify the models are assigned to them, which you can verify from the previous model. So these models should be same for both memories. Alright. So using these memories, we are going to see some simulation results for rank 1 and rank 2. Anyways, so as of now, we have assigned or we have placed all the blocks and assigned electrical model to them. Let's close this property window and click over zoom fit. In the next video, we are going to make connections between all of these blocks and check connectivity using the System SI tool. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.emaeda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.